Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richard officially together, creating good memories. In love sa isa't isa at ang pinakamaganda sa lahat ay approve kay Mami Min ang relasyon nila at boto rin ang buong Bernardo family. Kay Alden, panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Bagay na bagay talaga sa isa't isa si Alden at Kat. Kaya naman marami ang kinikilig na lumabas sa mga sweet photos nila together ng gabi ng pa-housewarming party ni Kat. Hindi nga naghihiwalay ang dalawa kahit nasa loob lamang ng bahay. Talagang laging nakadikit itong si Alden Richards at nakabantay kay Catherine Bernardo para umalalay at tumulong sa pag-aasikaso sa kanilang mga guests. Sabi nga ng isang fans club ni Catherine Bernardo, "The story is not all about who started. It is all about who stayed and waited patiently for the right time at the right moment. God always makes all things beautiful in His time." God doesn't give you what you want. He gives you what you deserve. At sabi pa dito ng isang commenter, "When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen." God can move mountains. At inulan na nga ng samot-saring komento ang mga litratong lumabas sa social media account na lahat ay boto kay Alden at Catherine. Sabi nga dito, "The time is right, the Lord will make it happen." God can move mountains and can make all things possible. Both of them have a good heart and they both deserve each other. I guess many are happy and praying for both of them. God doesn't give you what you want. He gives you what you deserve. At sabi pa dito ng isang commenter, "When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen." God can move mountains and can make all things possible. Both of them have a good heart and they both deserve each other. I guess many are happy and praying for both of them. Sabi pa nga dito, after 5 long years, naghintay talaga siya. Hi, salamat Kat din, nabuhay uli ang inyong kilig. Ang makita si Kat na masaya, mapapasana all ka na lang at mapapaheart talaga, lalo na ngayon si Alden ang nasa tabi niya. Grabe. Ang cute ni Kat dito, masaya lagi. Kalmado din si Alden. Kat den forever. Approve na approve din sa mga kaibigan ni Catherine ang relasyon nila ni Alden Richards dahil wala talaga silang masabi kay Alden at napakabait na tao nito. At syempre responsable kaya naman gustong-gusto nila ito para kay Catherine. Number one supporter ng Kat Den or Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards ang kanilang pamilya. Ang mahalaga dito ay approve na approve ang kanilang relasyon sa mami ni Catherine na laging nakasubaybay sa kanila. Housewarming for the beautiful home of Catherine Bernardo and family. Thank you, Kat and Tita Min, for having us. Like always, it's always great to be part of your family's milestone, and congratulations! Mula naman kay Alisa Mulak, so proud of you, Kat. You did it. Congratulations on your new home, Kat. Tita Min and the Bernardo family. May your days be filled with countless moments of love and happiness in your new home. God bless you and your beautiful family. Napapa-thank you Lord na lang talaga ang mga fans ni Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards sa kanilang relasyon dahil walang naging hadlang. At syempre naging madali para sa kanilang dalawa ang bumuo ng relasyon dahil wala naman talaga silang ibang karelasyon.